Hey everybody, welcome friends. I'm Deanna Fenton and this is Simple Steps to Online Success. What I wanted to do today was kind of give some perspective about what I'm seeing, the scramble for people who have never gone online before and they're desperately trying to figure out ways that they can do that to save their businesses or carving out a way that they can continue to earn an income. Yoga studios, Pilates studios, trainers with their own small studios, or some of the big gyms as well. You can get a free 30-minute consultation with me. I've opened up my calendar because I'm not going to the gym anymore, guys. Get some one-on-one brainstorming and assistance and guidance. And that's right there. I'm not even going to apologize for this. This is not opportunistic. This is the greatest opportunity for all of us who are in the online course and membership site space to help serve. And that doesn't mean for free. None of us should feel badly about charging because we want to help people. We want to help get them online, but we all have to pay our own mortgages, right? We've all got to keep our businesses going, because that's the right thing to do for the greater good and the economy. Some of the things that I see are people relying a lot on Facebook, and in immediate need, that was the right thing to do. It's not a long-term solution. So that's the other thing I want you to think about. Is what you're offering a temporary solution? Temporary as in a couple of weeks? The honest answer to this is we all don't know right now if this is temporary, like a couple weeks, a month, a couple months, we don't know. Relying on Facebook as an interim solution is fine. But I'm already seeing posts from people saying Facebook is deleting posts off their personal pages. And this is what I want you to know. And I've talked about this forever, but you don't build your business on social media. And the reason for that is the owner of that platform can decide at any step whether your content violates some arbitrary rule that they have, or that for some reason that your content is not appropriate. If this is strictly temporary, and I mean like, you're going to go back to owning a Pilates studio and a yoga studio, and you're never again going to teach online, then you might be able to get away with this. What I would use Facebook for, absolutely, is if you have an active Facebook page, use the events section on your Facebook page. So let's just pretend that you're a yoga or Pilates studio and you want to keep classes going for your clients. You could put events and say, let people know that you've got classes. My classes are going to be at 11 and 3. And then give them the Zoom link. And so my preference is Zoom. I know one person said, a yoga instructor, she's like, well, I can't see the people. If you use Zoom meeting, you can see the people, but let's be realistic. I don't know how much cueing and correction you can do on a Zoom call with students, because I don't know how well you're going to be able to see them. Please, please, please don't rely on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Don't rely on your social platforms to be the only source of or way you communicate with people. Email, text. You need that platform. You need the platform where you're going to deliver your content to people. And from the marketing perspective, you really need to be able to have your content presented, housed, organized, accessible to your audience so they can access it 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If you need to get something scrappy, get on Facebook, gather the troops, get your audience together. But have a plan to start getting that thing online. Get it onto something that is yours, that you own, that you control, so you're not at the whim of an algorithm. I know I do focus on Kajabi, but I have a lot of experience with other platforms and other tools. If Kajabi is not the right tool for you, I can help you with WordPress. So don't feel it has to be Kajabi. That's the platform I prefer because I think it has everything, especially somebody that is not super techie needs to get their whole business up and running. So I do have the membership. Right now, I am all in with my members. We're doing masterminds. In addition to Kajabi stuff, we're talking marketing. I do hourly coaching and I do VIP days. If you need to get something up and done quickly, the VIP days are really a great option.